Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal one of my project regarding the IoT project. So this is the PMSA003 particulate matter sensor that already been attached to the Wemos D1 sensor. So let us have a look about this project. And then this project is actually for the portable application. So I'm going to explain a little bit one by one before we see the demonstration of this project. So this module is actually based on the ESP8266, which is the Wemos. So this is the Wemos board, and the Wemos board is actually being connected to the perf board over here, and then this perf board is being soldered accordingly to the corresponding pin. And then we have 1 2 3 3 I2C communication together with another extra I2C communication for the LCD over here. So this is the LCD. It is quite not nice configuration in terms of the design, because I did not have any 3D printing device at the moment. However, due to the fact that I have a lot of boxes, it is worth to use those boxes for this application. Okay, let me just give you an idea about this setup. So the first one, we have the battery operated module over here. So I'm using the TP4056. So this is the IC that are going to be used to charge the battery capacity over here. So the battery rated the capacity around 1000 milliamp hour. So I already test it before, and then it is run continuously for approximate 1 minute, capturing data for at least 5 hours. So it's quite good. It's being bought from the AliExpress. And then what we have here is actually the connection. You can see this is the connection to the battery. Okay, we got the battery VCC, and then also the battery ground. And then we are going to take out those 3.7 volt from this module to the boost converter. So this boost converter is already being set up to deliver safely 5 volt. As you know, this is the boost converter that you can use to make sure that the 3.7 volt from your LiPo battery can supply sufficient 5 volt to your project or to your board. Okay, and then this charging module is actually being protected by the few ICs over here. So these ICs are very important to make sure that there is no overcharging and also discharging. Okay, so this IC are very useful, and then you can connect this one to your USB charger. So when we connect it like this, so the red indicator are going to be light on, and then when the battery is already being filled up with the energy, the blue or the green color LED are going to be lights on, so that it's indicate the fully charged of the module. So far actually the module is already being fully charged. And then we also connect with this wire. So this is just a simple wire. I'm going to demonstrate it later on. Okay, so this is the PMSA003 particulate measurement sensor. So I'm using the DIY version. Under down here is actually the connection, so you can check it out, the previous video talking about this PMSA module. And then it's communicated through the serial communication. If you can see, we only utilize 3 connection. And then why we are going to use this JST connector? Because of the ability to change the module like what we want to do it. Okay, so this is the Wemos. And another I2C sensor over here is SHT21 for measuring the temperature and relative humidity. So let us begin to simulate the idea of this project. So if you can see over here, we got the box, and then everything are going to be inserted inside this box. Of course, it is not nice at the moment, but I'm trying my best to produce the prototype versions of this project. So let me just switch on. So when we switch on, the LED are going to be able to be showing the text only after the Wi-Fi are already been connected. So I'm using the hotspot from my mobile phone data. So if you can see over here, it's just a few ideas about the temperature and also relative humidity. And then we have the measurement of PM 2.5, and then also the measurement of the PM10. So the measurement actually also being recorded at the Thingspeak website, which is we are going to explain it later on in our complete tutorial. So this is just a very basic idea about how you can create a device, a portable device for measuring the indoor air quality. As I mentioned before, this is the previous project for the temperature and relative humidity related project. Okay, this is only for temperature and relative humidity. And then we have here is actually a complete one together with the particulate measurement sensor. So this particulate measurement sensor is quite robust and also accurate in terms of determining few sizes related to the particulate matter, such as PM1, PM2.5, PM4, PM10, and so on. So it's very useful for you to capturing the indoor air quality data and thus make rectification of any indoor air quality issues. So that's all for my sharing. So hopefully you find out that this video is very helpful. If you think that this idea is very good, please do comment and share to your friend and family, and please do also subscribe and support this channel and hit those notification bells so that you will not miss any future updates, especially with regard to the Arduino project. Until then, thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye bye and see you soon.